Hello guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Courage. Now, if you have been looking for ways to make money online, especially doing e-commerce, and if you have been actually struggling or being unable to sell products, this is the season, this is the period, this is the time where people make tons of money online. This is the time where you see money flowing online, flowing in the air, flowing everywhere, flowing to people who know how to sell. This is the season. Just these 4 months, right? This is the season where a lot of things happen online. And this is the time for you to start positioning yourself, to start making huge sales. And, even if you've lost some money through the year, this is the period to regain and recoup. All right. So in this video, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you how you can position yourself, your products to make money online, because this is the season where people make money selling physical products, especially. All right. Of course, you can sell digital products. I mean, this is also the season where you can sell softwares. You're going to see companies selling their tools, are giving you at 50% off lifetime access, 70% off lifetime access, stuff like that. The adverts are soon going to be popping up, right? You're going to be seeing them because this is the season where people spend a whole lot of money online. You're going to see the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so many auctions going on here and there. Whenever you log on online, you're going to see so many promotions. Why? Because people understand that this is the season where people spend money even without thinking. Now is your own opportunity if you want to make money online, especially via e-commerce, selling physical products. I'm going to review some product categories that you can sell this season and make some money for yourself. If you are new here, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you be among the first people to be notified whenever I post videos. And please, I'll ask you to give this video a thumbs up. Just click on that like button. Pound. That's all. Auto, like this video so that more people get to see it. Now, without wasting time, guys, let's dive in. Let me show you how people are beginning to position themselves to take advantage of the season and make money online. I've said it, this is the season where money flows to marketers who knows how to sell. You must know how to sell for you to make money this season, guys. This is the season where people generate millions of naira, dollars, selling online, selling physical products, selling gadgets, selling tools, right? What should you do? Now, what you have to do is to sell physical products online, not offline, online. Or you can also affiliate for digital products, right? For digital tools, softwares, video editing tools, voice editing tools, music production tools, marketing tools, audience. A lot of tools are going to be coming up, right? A lot of tools are going to be coming up. They are going to be giving slash. Now, if you position yourself, assuming you want to sell digital products, if you position yourself to affiliate for these companies, you are going to make a lot of sales, right? Because actually, many people, this is the time where many people begin to buy lifetime access to some tools, to some softwares. Imagine that you are an affiliate to a product, a software that is giving 40% off, right? And they might also be giving 50% affiliate commission. So if the software was initially $100, now giving 40% off is selling for $60, which means that for any single sale you generate, you are going to get $30. So imagine how many sales you can generate in this period of time. Most of these softwares are expensive, right? I'm just giving an example. $100 is small. I'll just give an example. So just for you to have an idea of what to expect, this is the period, the Ember season, guys. You don't have to dull it. You have to dull, right? So product categories to sell. That is, if you want to sell physical products, these are the product categories that you have to consider. Fashion, because people want to look good this season, especially as as the Christmas is unfolding gradually. People want to look good. People want to have new hair. Ladies want to have new hair. Fashion accessories like chains, bands, bead, wristwatches. Do you understand? Fashion stuff, man. People want to have new shoes, especially in places like Nigeria or Africa, where people actually, during this season, they travel back home, right? So they want to look posh while traveling. They want to look amazing. They want to look lovely. They want to look, do you understand? They want to look way better than they have been looking. So people have been hustling all through the year, and now they want to relax enjoy their money while they are looking so fly and cool. This is your time to sell them the dream, sell them the transformation, sell them the wristwatch they want to buy, sell them those nice looking trainers, canvas, shoes, whatever it is. You have to sell something that is different from what they have been seeing and something very unique, right? Beauty products. This is the time where women want to, any pimple on their face or whatever, skincare products, they want to have all this beauty stuff, skincare, name them. This is the season where they want to look beautiful, women especially. The way they want to remove every eczema, they want to remove every black spot on their head, on their face. They want to remove all the pimples, all the acne. They want to remove everything, stretch marks and all. This is the season because most of them want to travel home and they want to look good traveling. Do you understand? So they actually buy beauty products this period because they also know that people are going to be returning home. People are going to be visiting, and then they want to position. They want to be seen in a different way. So they want to look fly, beautiful, fresh, and clean. They need these products. Find these products and sell to them. Of course, household item and kitchens. People are going to be changing their bed sheets, their curtains, their duvet. People are going to be changing a lot of household stuff like their flower vase. So many things are going to be changing in people's homes. This is your opportunity. Do you get me? This is where you come in. Kitchen, right? People want to change some things in their kitchen. People want to have multi-purpose stuff like blender, like juicer, grill, so much of this because families are going to be having get-togethers, right? Families are going to be reuniting. Families are going to be coming together to celebrate the end of the year, to chill and stuff like that. These items that you're going to sell, this kitchen gadget like the portable grill, is going to create that form of bonding for the family in the sense that they can now create that grill without having to go and buy or without having to invite people to do grill in their houses. This is it. This is the season. Take advantage, man. Gadgets. Of course, people want to look cool. They want to have as much fancy gadgets as possible. Guys, no dull. This is your time. I'm telling you honestly. Now, how do you find these products? You search online. In Nigeria, we have digi.ng. You search online. If you want to import from China, fine. You have to use air freight, right? To import, you have to import via air because if you're using ship, then you are dulling because if you're using ship, the product is likely to land by first week or second week of December. So you have to import by air if you're importing from China, right? So that it can be fast. Although importing by air costs more, but it can be faster for you. But you don't have to wait till December for you to start selling. You have to start finding those products now, creating those advert copies, creating those videos now, not later. You can also go into the market. I don't know the city that you are living in. I don't know where you reside, but in Nigeria, in Lagos, we have Alaba, Idumota, Mandela, so many of them. Go into the market, find these products, find products that are not common, that people are going to buy and sell to people. Now, how you sell these products is that you are going to use paid traffic, right? And you must always make an offer. This season, people don't just buy it anyhow. They buy because they saw an amazing offer. This is the season where you're going to see Black Friday sales. You're going to see Cyber Monday. You're going to see 50% off. If you are very familiar with this kind of ShopRite and Spar, you will see them handing out leaflets where they're putting some items for sale, for auction, for 30% off, for stuff like that, right? This is the season. They know that people buy because of the offer, not really because of the product. If you're giving someone, if you buy this wristwatch, the price is 25,000 naira. For everyone that buys just this week alone, you are getting this hand bead, you are getting this pair of shoe, you are getting this purse. The person who is going to buy might not even buy because of the wristwatch, but they will buy because of the offer you made, because of the other things. So when they call you, they say, please, I hope my wristwatch is coming with the shoe. I hope it's coming with the this and the that. Please make sure that those things you said, I'm going to receive it. You said, yes, you will receive it. Simple. That is it. Make an offer. Don't just sell because you want to sell. The best way to sell faster this season is to make an offer. Because all the adverts you are going to be seeing are adverts that's going to have 50% off, 20% off, 30% off, and so on and so forth. So please, if you want to sell this season, make an offer. Use Facebook ads, right? Use Facebook ads. Create Facebook ads. It's either you sell through a sales page or through WhatsApp. You can send people from Facebook ads to your WhatsApp. If you don't know how to run Facebook ads, you don't have to worry. I've made videos. I've made series of videos on how to run Facebook ads. So just check on my channel, go to the playlist, click on the Facebook ads playlist, watch the videos there, learn, and start making money. I'll also leave the link to the videos in the description of this video. So after watching this video now, go to that link and watch those videos on advert and learn how to make ads, right? So yes, that's it, guys. Find the products, make offers, give them some percent off, like 50% off or stuff. If you don't want to do the 50% off offer, you can, you can just tell them, if you buy this, you are getting this for free, just for the next 1 week, always put a time constraint, right? Always put that scarcity, put that time frame, because if you leave the offer open, people are going to just assume that it's always available. They will abuse it. Like people who do Black Friday, they will give you the date. On 11th of 11, we are going to do this. Check Alibaba, check Amazon. They are all doing this Black Friday. This is the season, guys. Position yourself. Find products. Find other products that are related to that product. Create an offer. Factor in the prices and run adverts to sell those products. I assure you, you are going to make a lot of money this season. Don't dull it, right? Don't dull it. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'm there to answer you. Also, comment your concerns, comment your worries. Let me know, and I will always be there to answer you. Thank you for watching, guys. Like this video, drop your comments, share this video with as many people you know will find it helpful. I am always here to attend to you. Please leave a comment below and I'll answer your questions. I'll see you in my next video, guys. I wish you the best this season. Let's all sell and make money. Cheers.